And now to suppositories. Suppositories also contain medicine in dosed amounts. They have to be 2 to 4 centimeters long and weigh 2 to 3 grams. They can either be made by rolling, by compression, or by casting them in a mold. And now we'll see each of these methods.
Suppositories are infused in the rectum. The type Mr. Simonson will make is a painkiller containing morphine.
I'll use a card.
The suppositories consist of 3 things: sifted morphine mixed with milk sugar.
Right. Put this in a mortar.
And cocoa butter, which possesses a characteristic enabling it to melt at 28 degrees centigrade.
But it's also possible and allowed to employ a little bit of olive oil. A couple of drops. Yes, well, here we have our mass, and we have to roll it out. And we mustn't use lycopodium here, but talcum instead. And when we need 5, each 3 centimeters long, we'll need a piece 15 centimeters long. 3, 6, 9, 12 centimeters. Now we can cut. That's it. And a little more talcum underneath. And make a pointed end. Because suppositories must either be grenade-shaped or torpedo-shaped. And now we pack them in. Suppositories can either be delivered in a suppository box, or you can use a pill box. Put some cotton wool at the bottom, and they're fine, so they won't be damaged. There we are, and that's what they look like.
This apparatus is a suppository machine, and it saves having to make them as we've just seen, and it makes 3 at a time. Normally it's screwed to a table, so pharmacist Simonson needs a helping hand.
So now we must ask our young disciple Jensen to come and help in holding tight. By the way, young Jensen, are you aware that the lowest of all creatures in a pharmacy is a disciple? Good. There's just one thing which is beneath even him, and that's a female disciple. Yes. So, now you know.
When a little oozes out of the small hole like this, then you know the suppositories are ready.
Now, stop the pressure. Open, remove that, and press them out. Like so. We've now seen how we make suppositories by rolling and by using a press. You can also make them in a mold, like in this old wooden one here. And I can show you what they look like.
The moulded suppositories are also made of morphine, milk sugar and cocoa butter, but this time the mass will be smelted together over a gas ring.
Right. Now we'll oil the mould. And we have to take care that we don't make it too thin, so that the medicine falls to the bottom before it's hardened. So it needs a certain viscosity when you cast it. And now we'll graft the suppository mass.
He does this to stabilize the mess.
The grafting mass has also got to be smelted before we cast the suppositories. And we use this as a kind of lodestar. And a little extra on the top, because it contracts when it cools down.
The suppositories take 30 minutes to harden.
Well, certainly looks as if it succeeded. There. And now for the remainder. Let's see here. It's as if the box was made for the purpose, which it was. So, Miss Johnson's suppositories are ready.